Drug and alcohol are the enemies of ambition and hope. And we are fighting against this drug and alcohol. It's like we are fighting for the future of everyone. Nasha Mukt Bharat is an annual action plan for 2020-21 which is aiming on 272 most affected districts and has also launched Narcotics Bureau, outreach, awareness by the social justice and treatment through the health department. Keeping this in mind, let me speak about my district, Udupi. My district, Udupi, is known for its beaches, island, food, festival, cultures, but unfortunately, I have to also mention about drugs. I've seen so many cases like boys coming in their bikes, hiding behind the compound in bushes, and one is giving a powdery white kind of substance and another is lending the money, and no doubt this is obviously drugs. And I failed to inform this to the higher authorities. When I tell this to my parents, they tell that if they come to know it is us who have informed, then they will start troubling our family, they will start blackmailing our family, and they end up telling, "You're my only daughter." But the population of Udupi is 11,72,000 and I'm not the only daughter or I'm not the only youth or teenager. Altogether, I can tell that there are so many students like me in my district, Udupi. And why these students are not taking the initiative to make our Udupi Nasha Mukt? Because few students are involved in Nasha addiction and not in Nasha Mukt. So let me speak about the role of student in making Udupi Nasha Mukt. Here, Nasha is especially about drugs and alcohol. Drugs like illicit drugs are illegally being produced and smuggled, but it is being banned by the government. Illicit drugs like ganja, hashish and marijuana are being produced by the people inside the district, and we the students should never let the entry of such drugs inside our district. But how? Here it is. Students should create an awareness program about ill effects of drugs and should also take an individual development survey. But wait. First of all, students should come out of this kind of addiction, because after the lockdown there was a news that was being displayed on my TV that students of Udupi are standing in a queue to buy alcohol. I felt so bad. You know why? Because people tell that students of Udupi, Manipal are known for their education, and these students are standing in a line or a queue to buy alcohol. Today they are addicted to alcohol and tomorrow drugs. So first of all, they should come out of this kind of addiction, and then they can increase public participation and public cooperation and can tell no to drugs. The next thing is about alcohol. Usually parents or some people tell that I'm taking alcohol because I'm having depression and sadness. But you, my dear friends and students, it is your responsibility to tell them that drinking alcohol is not the solution to drive away our depression and sadness. Tell them to go for a family tour, family ride, picnic, tell them to get together in a family and tell them to go near a motivator and to take motivation. But how students are getting addicted to this alcohol? Usually students are having a lot of curiosity in trying new things and tasting new things, and when they see their parents or friends tasting this alcohol or drinking this alcohol, they will be like as if they are drinking Coca-Cola. At that moment, the alcohol will be like Coca-Cola for them. But after they try this, they will be like, okay, not sweet. But this okay continues for a longer days, and students cannot come out from this kind of addiction. And first of all, parents cannot pull back their children from this kind of addiction. The main problem of today's generation is, if a student wants to tell that someone is taking drug or producing this drug, then whom to inform, where to inform, when to inform, how to inform. This is the actual problem. So, students should be given a proper information on whom to tell or which authority to tell, but in a safer manner. Because my policy is we have to do good things, but we should be never harmed by these good things. The ministry has also set up national toll-free 24/7 drug addiction helpline number for the victims of drug abuse, that is 1800110031. And don't worry, this is an active number, because usually when we find number in the Google, they tell that these numbers are inactive and these numbers don't exist. So I have already tried, so you can also try for it. The ministry has also set up this number only for a good purpose and not for you to misuse this. So take a chance, take an opportunity and use it well. I am not addicted to this drug and alcohol, but I am addicted in escaping this reality. But now, let us not escape this reality. Let us make drug and alcohol escape from us, or let us escape from this drug and alcohol. I also thank the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. I also thank the Department of Student Affairs, Manipal, Mahe. for giving such an opportunity to the young minds of students to share their opinions and ideas. Thank you.